Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 94 Toyota Supra and this is a tuned version. So I see a lot of people, they are not really interested in tuned versions, but I do like tuned versions, because it is small, cute, and it's easy to keep in your hand or in your pocket, or it is space saving, to be honest. See, here you can see, I kept 8 cars. I'm pretty sure, I bet I can easily keep like 12 cars in this one, if it is a tuned version. So one of you actually asked me, I'm really sorry guys, I'm not really good with remembering names, and that too, when you guys are commenting on YouTube, most of the time the names are like some kind of, like how I can say, like a pet name or something which you liked and you kept it as a name, like I kept mine. So, but, I really want to shout out to a lot of people, but I'm not remembering the names while I'm doing the videos. So let me just say, one of the person who actually told me, asked me, I'm cutting this card, neatly and all. What I'm doing with this, I'm actually saving these cards. So a year back, I didn't use it to say, I just throw it out. But at some point, I just started, realizing, okay, let's keep the card. Maybe in future, if I'm planning to do a display like this, I'm actually planning to do a display, but maybe not too soon. Down later, maybe a couple of years or 3 years later, I will do. So that time, I just want to put out. I just cut the card here and just keep it. And I did for one Lamborghini Starrett. I'll show you guys that at some point in time when I have the time, to be honest. So it was really nice to do that. Okay, let's talk about this casting. So overall, the casting looks really nice. It has one paint bubble here. Not sure if you guys can able to see it here. So it has chromed out interior. So to be very honest with you guys, I really don't like chromed out interior that much. On every car I'm talking about. So maybe on few cars, okay, it's good, but so I can see like most of the cars which are being coming out nowadays is having chromed out interior. The rims looks really nice. It does have headlight details, grill details, logo placement is really nice. So the vinyls are really nice. So it does have windshield here, but this side it doesn't have anything. It is open. So the only reason I like chromed out interiors, because it is easy to show on video. You guys can at least look a little bit inside of the car, compared to other this blacked out interiors or so. But in hand, if you ask me, I prefer the black or white or some other color, like pink interiors, something like that, which pops up at the same time and gives the car a character. So the body is fully metal, including the spoiler here, and the chassis is plastic. It does kind of look cheap plastic compared to the other cars. It has exhaust details, and the paint job here is really not nice. But let's do a roll test real quick. It does roll really well. It is a bit of a heavy casting, and I don't see any wheel wobble at all. It is really nice. So overall, it's a beautiful casting. So I don't see any issue apart from this one paint bubble here, which is negligible. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.